we'll guide you through how to make balloon in 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by locating and opening 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 from your desktop. Wait for the application to finish loading completely before continuing. Once the main interface appears, find the Draw option and click it to open your Word canvas. After the canvas is ready, locate the toolbar on the left side of the workspace and select the Figure tool. This tool allows you to create precise shapes that can be used as the base of your balloon illustration. Next, open the Tool Property panel and choose the Ellipse option from the available shape settings. With the Ellipse option selected, click and drag on the canvas to create a large oval shape that will become the main body of the balloon. If you prefer a perfectly round balloon rather than an oval one, hold the Shift key while dragging. This will constrain the shape into a perfect circle. When you are satisfied with the shape, release the mouse button to place it on the canvas. After creating the balloon shape, select the Object tool and click on the ellipse to display its adjustment handles. These controls allow you to edit the shape if necessary. If the balloon does not look exactly how you want it, fine-tune it by adjusting the ellipse properties in the Tool Property panel. Once the shape is finalized, use the Object tool to move the balloon to your preferred location on the canvas. With the balloon positioned correctly, create a new raster layer above the background layer. This new layer will help you keep the coloring process organized. Next, choose a bright color from the color wheel. Popular balloon colors include red, blue, yellow, pink, and green, but you can select any color you like. After choosing a color, select the Fill tool and click inside the balloon shape to apply the color evenly. Finally, switch to the Pen tool and draw a small triangular knot at the bottom of the balloon. From the knot, draw a curved string extending downward to complete the illustration. Your balloon drawing is now finished and ready for additional decorations.